Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're out here at the pond and we're going to be fishing with this micro crawfish lure. This is the first video that I'm making of 2026. I know it's like already almost 2 weeks through, but Happy New Year's. And yeah, I'm going to be throwing around this tiny little crawfish lure to see what I can catch. I fished with this lure yesterday and I caught quite a few fish, so hopefully I can catch some more today. Now right here, there are rocks, like all right here, and rocks hold heat better than just mud. So when it's cold, usually the fish will go towards structure, like rocks or any kind of wood. There we go. First little bass. Oh, nice little jump. There we go, not bad. See how he's got the red on his lips right there? That means he's been eating off the bottom, which is why a crawfish lure like this or a jig would work really well. Because when it comes to wintertime, they don't want to chase bluegill and stuff around. So they just stroll the bottom looking for like crawfish or anything dead. I didn't even notice I had this guy on. He just started swimming directly at me as soon as I hooked him. That was a quick release. I was only able to catch 2 bass on this crawfish, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye and happy fishing.